Hey y'all, so yeah. Hi, how are ya? Um,
No, I don't see it often, and I probably should have told you.
I have to do a close-up because, yeah. I've had this weave in for 4 weeks now. Yeah, yesterday made 4 weeks. I want to keep it in for another week or two.
What the fuck?
That's just how I am, and I am lazy, and I like to make things last. So today I'm going to refresh this, and I'm gonna also sew down my closure. I don't know if I want to do a tutorial on that part. I'm gonna, I'll do it because yeah, there's a way to refreshen your closure because I don't glue mine down. So yeah, that's the video. Sorry for the weird angle and the bald lash look. I don't give a fuck. Okay. Still cute. Not right now though. I'm back and I'm Barney. Saying that because I'm wearing all purple. Okay. I'm on my last little section. So here I'm going to slow it down a little bit and show you guys how right here, I'm just pulling it forward, the closure, to see where I want it to sit, to match up where my part is and everything. And then you're going to see me make a part, not right in front of the closure, but where it can be hidden. So I'm making my part and I have my needle and thread, and I'm making sure that I have the closure positioned exactly where I want it to sit. I'm bringing it a little bit further since my hair has grown and the closure has fallen back behind the hairline. And then I just proceed to sew it down. Make sure you sew it down very secure, or obviously it's not going to, the whole process is going to be basically void. So. And obviously this can be done a lot more clean cut and neatly, but number one, I've had this weave in for a long ass time. Number two, it's for me, not like a client or anything, and I was in a rush and I don't care. So you can take your time, go a little bit slower, and make sure the parts are more clean by maybe using, like a hair clip or something to keep the space apart. But for me, this came out perfectly fine. So obviously when you finish, you're gonna go ahead and loop and knot your thread so that it doesn't slip out. And you can go, well, this is only a 4x4 closure that I have in, but you can go as far across as you want to make sure that it's really sewn down nice and tight. And here I'm just showing you that it looks way better than it did when I first started. You can bring the closure more forward if you want to, but I personally like when there is a little bit more of my baby hairs out, my own hair in the front. But I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I was just showing you guys how it looked much better already. I'm about to hop in the shower because I worked out and everything, but I just wanted to show you the hair when it's super duper wet. And I plan on doing this method that I've been watching with Mercedes. I gotta see what her YouTube name is the full one, and I'll link it below. But she does basically like a wash and go with her curly units, and I was like, that makes sense because it's curly hair. So if you do like a wash and go with some, you know, of the Eco Styler gel and some products, like it comes out looking really pretty and drenched, like wet and wavy. So that's what I want. And right now I just have some conditioner in it because I'm a deep condition the hair, and it still looks amazing. Okay, this is going on 5 weeks of an install. So, and I have some deep conditioner on my edges because my edges. So I am in the bathroom, in a public bathroom, and I just wanted to make sure that I showed y'all. I got my mask on, but this is how it came out from using 2 products. The 2 products that I was talking about that I used after detangling and washing my hair was ORS Olive Oil Smooth and Hold Putty. It's Smooth and Hold Pudding, sorry. And then I also used Lotta Body, setting lotion to kind of hold the curls. You can also use Eco Styler gel or whatever you would use in a wash and go to kind of set the curls. But my hair dried so pretty and it came out so bomb. And this is bomb. It's dry. It is dry. The only part that is not dry completely is the root, because, you know, it's the root. But this is how it looks dry. And I can fluff it out if I like. But for now, I'm going to leave it like this. But this is cute. I'll take my mask off for 1 second. This is really cute. But that method is bomb. Hey y'all, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't look at my background, don't look at my background. Focus on me. That's my watch. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. The hair is popping. And I'm not taking it out yet, so I don't care. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe.